Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rosina. I am working as a librarian in the GCTW Little on Lahore. Today I am going to discuss a very important and fascinating topic, the role of artificial intelligence in our future. Artificial intelligence or AI is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It has become part of our everyday lives. From education and healthcare to business, transportation, communication, and entertainment, AI is changing the way we live and work. To explore this topic, I will some important questions to ChatGPT and learn how AI may shape our future. So let's begin our talk with ChatGPT. Assalamu alaikum ChatGPT. I am well today and I am talk with you at on the important topic that is role of artificial intelligence in our future. Are you ready? Please, please wait. I ask some questions. Okay. My first question is, what is artificial intelligence and how does it work in simple terms? Okay. And my next question is, why has artificial intelligence become so important in today's world? Thank you. Uh, how will AI change our everyday lives in the future? Thank you. My next question is, what role will AI play in the future of education and learning? Good. Uh, how can AI help teachers and students improve the learning experience?
AI can take over some of the heavy lifting, like grading routine tests or tracking progress, and give teachers better insights into where students are struggling. For students, AI powered tools can give instant feedback. Say you're practicing math or a new language. The system can correct you right away and explain why. And that makes practice more interactive and less discouraging. Teachers can use that data to notice patterns, like if a whole group is tripping over the same concept. Basically, the idea is to let AI handle the repetitive parts. So the human side, motivation, empathy, big picture thinking, stays with the people. It's more like a partnership between humans and machines that hopefully makes learning more personalized and a bit more joyful too.
Good. How will artificial intelligence transform healthcare and medical services?
Let me check real quick. AI can make healthcare faster, more accurate, and more accessible. For example, AI tools can help spot diseases like cancer earlier by reading medical images. It can suggest personalized treatments and automate admin work in hospitals so doctors and nurses can spend more time actually caring for patients. It can even support remote consultations through virtual health assistants, which is especially helpful for people in rural or underserved areas. That said, it won't replace medical professionals because compassion and judgment, those human elements, those are irreplaceable. So AI aims to support the humans in those roles, not to replace them.
Good. Will AI replace human workers or will it create new types of jobs?
Good question. It will do a bit of both. Some routine jobs could fade out, but new ones are already popping up, like AI trainers, ethics specialists, robot maintenance roles, and lots of jobs that blend human skills with tech. The biggest key is adaptability. People learning how to work with these tools instead of competing against them. So rather than a takeover, it might be more like a reshuffling where human creativity and decision making stay central while AI handles more of the repetitive or data heavy tasks.
Good. How can AI improve transportation and make our cities smarter and safer?
AI can optimize traffic lights in real time, reducing jams, predicting where accidents might happen, and helping reroute public transit more efficiently. Think of buses that adjust routes based on demand or smart systems that alert city services immediately when there's a hazard. Over time, it could mean fewer traffic jams, cleaner air if routes are more efficient, and roads that are safer because human error risks are flagged early. In short, smarter cities could feel less chaotic and a lot more livable.
Good. Now, next question is, what are the biggest risks and challenges associated with artificial intelligence?
One sec. Okay. Some of the biggest risks are job displacement for certain roles, privacy and data security, bias in decision making, and the risk of misinformation if content is misused. There's also the challenge of making regulations that keep up with the tech itself. The hopeful part is if handled responsibly, those risks can be managed with transparency, strong human oversight, and clear ethical guidelines. So the future depends less on the machines themselves and more on the choices we make around them.
Good. How can developing countries benefit from artificial intelligence in the future?
Let me see. With the right investment, big opportunities are there. AI can expand access to quality education, improve healthcare with early disease detection, help farmers predict crop risks, and boost small businesses through better tools. The key is affordable internet, digital skills training, and policies that encourage ethical use. If those pieces fall into place, AI could actually help developing countries leapfrog certain challenges and speed up economic growth in a way that's more inclusive.
Good. Now, finally, my last question is, what kind of future can humanity create if we use artificial intelligence wisely and responsibly?
If we use AI wisely, we could free people from tedious work, tackle global problems faster, cure diseases sooner, and maybe even make education truly personal for every child. But it really depends on our choices. Fairness, clear rules, sharing the benefits, and keeping human dignity at the center. The most hopeful vision is humans and AI working side by side, each doing what it does best. Machines handling the grunt work, and humans steering with values, creativity, and empathy. That's a future worth aiming for.
Okay. Thank you, ChatGPT, for answering these important questions.
You're welcome, Rosina.
To conclude, artificial intelligence is not simply about intelligent machines, it is about how humans choose to use technology. AI can make our lives easier, improve education and healthcare, create new opportunities, and help us solve difficult problems. But we must also remember that technology needs human wisdom, responsibility, creativity, empathy, and ethical values. The future will not be created by AI alone, it will be created by humans working together with AI. So instead of asking only, will AI change our future? Perhaps we should ask, how can we use AI to create a better future for everyone? Thank you everyone for listening. Stay curious, keep learning, and prepare yourself for the future. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you for that thoughtful closing. Allah Hafiz.